only have to kick a real twist 2 or 3 times on the head, and that would be enough to crush the bones in the skull. The snake would be dead. If she was to kick me on the back of my hand, she'd shatter all the bones in my hand. So a very powerful kick. Plus with 4 talons, so you get holes in you as well. The chick head for you. Kill it. Whoa!
The incredible secretary bird. In a category all of its own. It's neither a bird of prey or a stork as its legs might suggest. The secretary bird primarily hunts snakes, stamping on them with its powerful legs. One kick from a secretary bird would break a man's arm. It is not confined to eating just snakes. Anything that moves through the grass it will go for. Rats, voles, mice, anything.
Oh my life.
It is said to have acquired its name because of the feathers on the back of its head. The feathers resembled quill pens that secretaries used many years ago, and when they placed them behind their ear, as we do today, you get that appearance of the feather sticking out. The Latin name Sagittarius means archer, and some people say it's because of the feathers on an arrow that it is so called. I quite like the secretary story myself. They're a formidable bird, standing 4 feet high.
As soon as they spot a snake, they burst into action at lightning speeds, legging it across African savannas to kill the snake. A little bit of food just here. Is there any more? No. Oh, there's a snake over there. I might go and kill it. You just take your time, mate. Oh, found a worm. I'll eat that. And yeah, I might go kill the snake. Oh, found another bug.
Will you pay attention?
Dave, kick the snake, mate. It's not hard. Thousands of secretary birds want your job. You can soon be replaced. Oh yeah, now you decide to do something. Gary, get that falcon back. We'll do the end of the leg thing again. Hey, if you can get a secretary... No, it wouldn't be a good idea. What do you wiggle the snake? Won't do anything, it's just waste a bit of time. Ooh. Dave, mate. He says, it's a rubber snake. You have not got me convinced. Oh. 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 Hey! And the reason why a secretary bird is a bird of prey, because it does that. It uses its feet to kill a snake, and that's what makes a bird of prey. It uses its feet. He kicks the snake to death. Go from Sally Wood, because he's eyeing up your head as well as the snake's head. It would be funny.
Won't it really hurt? Don't get beaten in the head.
And that is a dead snake.